Well, we've got a big rainstorm coming into Southern California. For us, a big rainstorm is maybe 3 or 4 days in a row. So it's time to change these wiper blades. And I'm going to give you some quick instructions. The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to lift this up. This is the longer blade on the driver's side. And I would suggest you take an old towel and lay it right here at the strike point. So if this spring gets away from you and this arm comes down, it's not going to crack your windshield. Don't ask me how I know it will do that. Just trust me, I do know from past experiences. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and set it here. The next thing I'm going to do is pull this structure out. Let's get a closer look. This blade, what we're going to do is take this wiper section and throw it forward, and then right under here there's a little piece of plastic. I'm going to push it in, and then I'm going to push in this direction to allow this to slide out. So here we go. I'll do a little wobbling, and you can see it's coming out pretty good there. And then we end up with this hook-like structure. Now in your package you will receive these other pieces, and they are for different kinds of wiper installations. You won't need these, so just set them aside. On this hook device, you simply take the hook, and you'll see there's a little rounded part in the center here. You just cock it forward like this, and then drop it in here like this, and snap it in. Notice how I flipped it forward and pulled it up like that. You're ready to go. Good luck. Happy rain.